spicy. Yes, dude. I just finished my work and now I'm going home and I will just buy my food. Maybe I will eat in the restaurant here. I will try another cuisine. So go with me, guys, and eat with me together. So yesterday, guys, it was very good off, but I forgot my phone to any of the place there, so I lost my phone yesterday, and all my contacts, pictures, it's lost. So it was very very bad, but what can we do? It happened. So, nandito na ako sa loob ng restaurant. Actually, it's a Pakistani food. And eventually, lahat sila nakatingin sa akin kasi ako lang nag-iisang Pilipino na pumasok dito sa Pakistani restaurant. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung pagkain na ihahanda nila sa akin. So, dyan lang kayo. Check natin. Siguro, I tried a lot of food already and marami na din ako nasubukang mga pagkain na iba't ibang mga lahi. So, sa pagkakataong ito, try ko naman ngayon ng ibang dishes ng isang Pakistani restaurant dito sa may Tukba. So, check natin kung masarap ba siya or pasados pa ating panlasa. And this is what they said, chicken fry. Look at this one, guys. This is chicken with some spices of the Pakistani spices as well. So, para siyang kaldereta. Pero I don't think so na parang manghang siya, like spicy. You're going to eat this one with the bread. This is the Pakistani kebab, okay? Something like it's a beef, that ground beef, but it's flat. This is Pakistani kebab, and this is like their yogurt with the bread or the feta bread that they have it. So. Ganito lang po siya. Kuha ka ng maliit na bread. And then, dip mo siya. Kain muna kami, guys. Tapos, I will update you after we eat our lunch. It was very good. What is that? Chicken fry? This is chicken fry after.
Wala akong masabi actually. Na sobrang sarap niya. Ang lasa niya para siyang para siyang spicy chicken na grilled. Parang grilled barbecue something yung lasa niya. Tingnan mo siya. And you just eat like this. I think pwede din siya sa rice together, or you can eat with bread, right? You can eat with bread and you can also eat with rice. With bread or siya the yogurt. Not for me. Bakit gusto mo yun?
If you're new from my channel, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Thank you very much guys, and goodbye!